Hey everybody, it's Brianna here with this week's word of the week. The word of the week is this. 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 Let's look at our picture. Our friend here is pointing to a red box. It's like he's saying, this is a red box. What's behind me? This red thing. This is a guitar. What is this? This is a marker. And what about this? What is this? This is an iPad. The word of the week is this. This. Thanks, everybody. Make sure you check out the PDF for this so that you can work different activities into your week to work on the word this. I hope you have a great week. Bye.